We're going to do a video on Amazon stock. That's AMZN, and we've got an Amazon stock daily chart up for you with a 5-day moving average in green, a red 20-day moving average, and a blue 200-day moving average. You can see Amazon's been in a bear market since back April of 2022, bounced off the 200-day moving average from the bottom side in August of 22, and now has put in a secondary low here September 23rd at about $112. Today we're rallying up on Amazon. We're up over 4%, close to 5% today, $5.50 up on about 11 million shares today, trading at $121.40 right at the moment. Average daily volume shares 57 million. So Amazon's up almost 5%. Let's take a quick look at it. We can see that the 5-day moving average is starting to round back up, but below the 20 and the 200-day. So this stock's still in a bear market. We're getting a bear market rally in the stock and a big gap right at the moment, but it's not a big deal. We're essentially, Amazon is trying to come up and challenge the 200-day moving average again, and it remains to be seen if it's going to do that. We had this great little rally from about 100 roughly up to about 144, and that stalled. We had this huge gap here back in the end of July, and that's now been filled. We had a gap here from about September 12th, and that gap has not been filled. That's about a $4, $5, $6 gap. So Amazon is doing quite a bit of movement back and around, but there's a lot of uncertainty on the stock as evidenced by the gaps. There's a lot of panic. So in general, Amazon's in a bear market. It's coming off a secondary low that it's put in a higher low, but there's not a whole lot going on in this stock just yet. In order for us to see Amazon challenge the 200-day moving average and break out into a bull market, we need to get it above the 20-day moving average and get everything much closer to the 200-day moving average. For that to happen, I think you're going to have to see prices up around 130, above the 130 level by the end of October, and it's anybody's guess if that's going to happen or not. But based on the way Amazon rallies in the past, I think that's going to be doable, but it's going to be a little bit of a challenge. It's probably going to take every day of October to get it up to the 130 level if that's where it's headed. Right now it looks like it is headed in the direction of the 130 level, all for entertainment purposes only, all my opinion, and so we'll have to see what happens. Let's take a look and see what's going on with Amazon algorithmically. We follow this stock algorithmically at RBM Research. Let's take a look and see if the prices are out for Amazon today. We put out 190 stocks every morning before 7 a.m. and let's see if we're covering Amazon. We do have Amazon out here today, but there's no buy price on it, which basically means algorithm didn't think it was a good stock to buy today, so it got that one wrong. But it's showing zeros across the board. As you can see here, we have 1, 5, and 20-day hold periods. All of them are zero. There's not a huge amount of zeros today, but I guess there actually is quite a few zeros here today. We've got buy prices for Tesla, really low buy prices for Tesla, but for most other stocks we do not have buy prices. So we put these out every morning before 7 a.m. Monday through Friday. These are out for October 4th today, and you can get them all at rbmresearch.com. Absolutely no cost, no credit card required. There's a link in the description below. We cover 190 stocks, the major forex pairs, BTC crypto, and the most liquid futures contracts. Again, link in the description. Follow it to rbmresearch.com. No credit card required, no cost. Everything's updated before 7 a.m. Monday through Friday for 190 plus stocks and a lot of other things. If you like this video, please click the like button. If you want to subscribe, please do that as well. If you have a comment for us, we'd love to hear it in the comment section. Keep in mind everything, including our entry prices and our commentaries, for entertainment purposes only. You should always trade at your own risk, and your own analysis is always a good idea. And again, keep in mind, everything you've seen and heard on here, including entry prices, can only be used for entertainment purposes.